KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. KG Auto, I live in Brooklyn. If your car break down, you know to call. If your car break down, you know to call. Call 34738598080. Let's go. Yeah, KG Auto, good morning, viewers. I'm here in our zone park. Came here to check a vehicle out. This is a Tesla Model Y. Is a 2023. Apparently they get into a little accident, so the wheel is not turning, so the driver couldn't drive it. So they gave me a call yesterday, but I was so busy. But here we are this morning to check out a car. I mean, you'll be wondering, a new car like this, but I'll show you exactly what happened, why the wheel is not turning. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. But I haven't said that, shout out to Brooklyn. Let's go, we're getting it right now. The wheel of, if you're wondering, is a 21. You know, it has a little cover on it. That's a tire right there on the ground there. And there's a wheel cover also. So here is what happened. When you look down here, you see the tie rod, the outer tie rod. So when you look straight, you see right here, that's where the thing is bent. So it's like apparently the car was hit, like so you can see. So the car was hit. So I believe it was kind of, the impact was so hard, so it affected this tie rod end. So you already got a replacement. This is the outer tie rod. You got this one. I don't know where he bought it from. So that's a part number right there. Like there's the inner tie rod, I mean. And this one is the little one. And this one is the outer one as well. Has a part number. So this is what it looks like. This is the outer one. And this is the inner one. So you see it's supposed to be straight. So we're gonna try to break this guy loose right here now. Lose this guy. We'll break this loose. Then we'll break this one loose as well. You have to make sure you lose this first. If not, you'll run into trouble. Break this loose first. Then we'll go ahead and see how we're gonna get in there to get the job done. But I haven't said that, KG, let's go. Getting it right now. So I break this loose already. It wasn't that really tight. It's a 21. Break it loose. So now I can come here and lose this guy here. I don't know what this one is like 22. Looks like it's 22. Yeah, it's 22. So let me see if I can break it loose with my one hand. Okay. Break it loose. But it's turning, see? It's turning. So I have to get something to like hold this down so I can completely lose it. See, it's turning. So let me do that. So I finally lose it out. I just use my grip plier to hold this, and I was able to lose it. So I failed to mention is the driver side. So we're gonna count this while we're taking it off, just like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. So that one's out. So we're gonna take off this. I'm gonna get something like I'll spray some, sorry about the shaking video because I'm using my one hand to do everything. So I'm gonna spray some penetrating oil on it here. Then I'll get a grip plier to hold this so that the thing won't turn. Then I'll try to take off that nut. So let me undo that. I'll bring that. So I took off that nut already. There's a clip that was here. I took that out, and there's another one inside. So I sprayed some lubrication on it to try to see if I can turn this guy like so we can get his bad boy out. Let me use my two hands in there. So the hose is out, so now this guy is exposed, as you can see. So you have to have like a special tools for this, but if you don't have a special tool, don't worry. Just make the driver turn the wheel, and this thing will come out some more. Then I'll show you what I'm going to use to lose it. I have a special tools for that, but I don't think that one's required right now. The reason why, see, this thing is bent, so there's no way you can put a tooth on this. No. So we're gonna use another way to take off that. I'll show you. All right, see, so we turn it now. You can see it came out further down. So we're gonna use because there's no way we can, like I said before, there's no way you can get a tooth in this, even though I have the right tools. But I'll show you what we're gonna use to take that kg state. I'm going to use, I believe this will work perfectly. I just wanted to show it, so I'm going to go underneath now and do that. As you can see, I believe that will work perfectly well. All right, let me go ahead and break it loose. So I broke it loose already, so you guys can see. See, it's turning now. That was an excellent tooth. Just turn it. Should fall off. So that's it. So the new one is right here. We can't really make sure it's like the way I want to make that because this thing is bent. But I believe they should be the same. They should be the same because this one is bent. But should be the same. So we'll go back in there and unscrew this guy just like so. Can't do that with your one hand. Just make sure you're going nice on it. Okay. So now I'm gonna tie that. I'm gonna tighten it, and I'll put the hose, the steering cover, whatever it is, and then wrap up it. So once you put back the hose, you install this guy, then you go ahead and put this guy back in here. Tie that one back in there. Then remember, we count the tire then 20. Mine has to have to go for alignment, but I'm gonna try to put it as close as possible as we can. I'll go ahead and do this. The new tire again. Go on in there, try to push this down like so. Put this guy. I'm using my one hand. Just bear with me. I'm just gonna count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'll move this one back a little bit. Just gonna go one more turn. 20. That's it. So we tie this back and we take off this guy right here like so. And we take off this cover. I'm gonna go ahead and push this guy in there. Okay, let me do that with my two hands. So once you tie this, don't forget to tie that back. Then that's pretty much it. Just put the tire. So the wheel should be turning easily now. So that's pretty much on this Tesla. Everything is fixed. The car is moving fine. As you can see right now, it's moving, it's turning, the wheel is good.